Fairfax, VA. Johnny Depp won his defamation case against Amber Heard Wednesday with a jury awarding him $15 million after a bombshell 7-week trial marked by shocking allegations of abuse leveled by both sides. The jury found in favor of Depp on all counts, indicating that the 7-member panel did not credit Heard's allegations of domestic violence and sexual assault. Judge Penny Azcarate reduced Depp's punitive damages award from $5 million to $350,000, the maximum under Virginia law, bringing the total sum to $10.35 million. In a token win for Heard, the jury, composed of 5 men and 2 women, found that Depp had defamed her through his attorney, Adam Waldman, as to a single statement, accusing her of staging an alleged assault. They awarded her $2 million in compensatory Depp, 58, who is on tour with guitarist Jeff Beck in England, did not show up for the verdict, while Heard, 36, sat at the defense table wearing a somber expression as she listened to the decision in Fairfax County Circuit Court in Virginia. Before the verdict was read, she mouthed to her sister, who was seated in the front row of the gallery, "I love you." The protracted court battle kicked off in 2019 after Depp sued Heard over a 2018 op-ed she wrote in The Washington Post identifying herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. She did not refer to Depp by name, but his lawyers argued that the piece falsely portrayed Heard as a domestic violence victim and ruined his life. It took the jury about 12 hours spread over 3 days to reach its verdict. Depp issued a statement celebrating the victory. "The jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled," he said. "From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth, regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of." Heard said in a statement that she was devastated by what she believed this verdict means for other women. "I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband," the statement read. "The verdict is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed, and the warring exes began their public battle on May 27, 2016, a central date in their saga. That's when Heard went to a Los Angeles courthouse to obtain a restraining order against Depp after he allegedly bashed her in the face with a cell phone. She exited the courthouse flanked by her publicist, and with a large bruise under her right eye, as a throng of photographers snapped her picture. Depp's team argued that she painted on the bruise and tipped off the press. The photos and abuse allegations went viral, garnering international headlines, and set off a vicious public quarrel that has persisted for 6 years, twice as long as their relationship. During closing statements, Vasquez argued that Depp was the sole victim in their doomed romance. "There is an abuser in this courtroom, and it is not Mr. Depp," Vasquez told jurors Friday, noting that it was the 6-year anniversary to the day that Heard obtained the restraining order. Vasquez described Heard as a deeply troubled person, violent, afraid of abandonment, desperate for attention and approval.